Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, first disable startup boot. So first open Microsoft Edge, then click on three dot, go to setting, then click on system and performance, and then turn off startup boot. Click on setting, system performance, click on setting, and then turn off this because of if your Microsoft Edge is continuously working in the background, so you are not able to uninstall this. So that's why I need to running configurations also closed. Okay, and then close it. Then next method, disable from the task manager. Click to start, type task manager, then click on startup app. If Microsoft Edge you can see, so just select and disable it, like Microsoft Copilot already disabled, that's why it's showing here enable. So just click to disable it and check if Microsoft Edge is service it's working or not. If it is working, just right click to stop it and task. No, it is not working. Okay, and then close it. Next method, set another browser as default. So click to start, go to setting, click on app, and then click on default app, then scroll down, find out Microsoft Edge. So this is Microsoft Edge. Okay, so guys, one by one, all select another browser. If you are using Chrome browser, Mozilla browser, any other browser, select, like this is .mht. So select this. Now you can see the browser, select any other one and click to set default. Okay, like this is, click on and then set and click to set. Now this is okay, so it is because of this is Microsoft Edge only, and this one also, so only Edge. Okay, and then close it, and then